CBS reporter Natalie Brand is live at the White House, where top health officials say the U.S. is about to face the apex of the crisis. Natalie?
That's right, and the President Coronavirus Task Force spent a lot of time during tonight's briefing talking about the surge in medical supplies being produced and also sent out, particularly to the areas expecting to be hardest hit. The President tonight also offering assistance to UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson.
I also want to send best wishes to a very good friend of mine.
President Trump says the U.S. has been in touch with London after UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson was moved to intensive care for COVID-19 treatment.
Americans are all praying for his recovery.
Earlier, the president held 2 calls on the coronavirus, one with pharmaceutical company CEOs on therapeutics and the other with Democratic presidential rival and former Vice President Joe Biden.
He gave me his point of view, and I fully understood that. And we just had a very friendly conversation.
A troubling newly released report from the Department of Health and Human Services Inspector General found hospitals are dealing with widespread issues, including shortages of testing supplies, personal protective equipment, and other critical items such as IV poles, toilet paper, and linens, according to a survey conducted in late March.
It's wrong. Give me the name of the Inspector General. Could politics be entered into that?
Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer is urging the president to fully invoke the Defense Production Act and appoint a senior military officer as a czar to oversee the production and distribution of critical supplies.
This is the best way. The military knows how to do these things.
On the economic front, the White House is touting the approval of more than 100,000 small business loans through the program that launched Friday. But officials are already warning they may have to ask Congress for more money.
Our job is to execute. Let's get it out. I think we're doing okay, frankly. And if we need more, we'll ask for more.
Monday, the Federal Reserve announced it will purchase small business loans under the Paycheck Protection Program, which will free up more cash for banks to continue lending. Now, during tonight's briefing, Governor Gavin Newsom got a shout out from the president and vice president for sending 500 ventilators from California to the national stockpile to help with areas that are expecting to be hard hit. 2 Bay Area companies also got shout outs, including Apple for producing face shields. The president says 1 million per week, and Salesforce for donating PPE. And interesting to note that in that conference call with therapeutics companies, 2 of those companies also from the Bay Area, Genentech and Gilead. Liz?
Yeah, Bay Area doing some remarkable things right now. All right, Natalie, thank you.